Okay, good afternoon, everyone. How are you today?
Good, Ardi.
Good,
Okay,
Ardi.
thank you. Have you had your lunch before?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, maybe after this you can grab your lunch. So, without any further ado, let's jump to our discussion today. Okay, in the first slide, you can see that there's a picture. Now, can somebody tell me what the things that come to your mind when you see this picture? What do you think it is? Can somebody
The
give
gas,
their opinion? Yes, Gandhi?
Someone complaining, Mr. Ardi.
Okay, Gandhi said someone complaining. Maybe the other friends want to give their opinion. Same? Yes, very right. Yeah, so there's a person who gives complaint to the front desk or to the receptionist. So, can somebody guess what material that we are going to discuss today? Maybe? About what, actually? Okay, Laura.
to handling complaints, maybe.
Yes, very right. About complaint. Yeah, okay. Let's see the next slide. Okay. Can you see the next slide or is it in the still previous in the in the previous slide? Okay, thank you. So today we are going to discuss about hotel complaint, especially at the front desk. Okay. And let me introduce myself. My name is Made Ardi Permana. And now before we jump further, let me ask you a question. Have you ever stayed in a hotel before?
Yes, Mister.
Okay, thank you so much. So, in the tourism and hospitality industry, problems like, you know, uh, the air conditioner is not working, and also the room is dirty, and also even there's no hot water. So, sometimes this problem can happen. And in the tourism, what makes a good hotel different from a bad hotel is not whether the problem happens or not, but the things that are important is the staff handle those problems, and the front desk staff are actually often the first people guests contact when they have a complaint. So therefore they need to communicate politely, they have to be calm, and also they can offer appropriate solution. And today we will learn how to handle complaints professionally in English. Okay, so actually, by the end of the session, you will be able to first one, you can apologize politely. And then the second one, you can offer suitable solution. And the third one, confirm agreements with guests professionally. So those things actually important communication skills for anyone who wants to work in tourism, hospitality, or customer service, or even hotels in the future, maybe. Okay, let me jump to the next slide. Okay, before we learn about the useful expression, let's start with a short activity. So on the screen, you can see several hotel complaints and also several possible solutions. Now, can somebody try to match each complaint with the most appropriate solution? For example, if a guest says there's no hot water, what the things that hotels should do in your opinion? Can anybody match the appropriate solution with the complaint? Okay, maybe start the first one, the dirty room. Which one do you think is the best solution for them?
Can I
Send
answer, sir?
housekeeping.
Yeah, sand housekeeping. Okay, and then the next one, no hot water. What do you think is the appropriate solution?
Send maintenance, sir.
Sand maintenance. Okay, and then the next one, broken TV. What do you think is the appropriate solution?
And
Send
technician.
technician, sir.
Sand technician. Okay, how about the slow Wi-Fi?
At the network.
Yeah, chat the network. Very right. And then how about the noisy room?
Change room.
Okay, we can
Change.
change the room. And then the last one, wrong room type. Okay, I think
Upgrade
this
room,
is.
sir.
Can you repeat once again, Danes?
Upgrade room.
Yes, very right. So those are the match the complaint to the solution. I think you did pretty good for this one. Okay, let's jump to the next slide. Okay, now let's move to the first important skill in handling complaints. So when guests complain, many people immediately try to solve the problem, but in customer service, the first step is usually not giving a solution. Okay, so the first step is not giving a solution, but the first step is apologizing and showing our empathy. Why this is important? Because imagine you're upset because your hotel room is dirty, and you go to the front desk, and the staff immediately says, "Okay, we'll clean it." Okay, the problem might be solved, but you might still feel ignored. Instead, guests usually want to feel heard and understood. That's why staff or the front desk should first apologize and acknowledge the guest feeling. Okay, then let's have a look at the some useful expression. Okay, so there's the first one. There's I'm very sorry for the inconvenience, and then the next one, I apologize for the problem, and then the third one, I'm afraid there's has been a mistake. Okay, so notice that those expressions actually sound polite and also professional. Okay, and we also have empathy, showing empathy, the expression such as I understand your concern, thank you for bringing this to our attention, and then the last one, I completely understand how you feel. So those expressions actually help reduce the tension and make guests feel respected. And actually, the thing that I want to emphasize is in hospitality, empathy is extremely important because guests want a good service, not only solution. Okay, let's jump to the next slide. Okay, after apologizing and showing empathy, the next step is offering solution. So a good front desk staff member should focus on solving the problem rather than explaining the excuses. For example, if the air conditioner is broken, guests do not want to hear many excuses from the staff. They simply want to know, what can you do to help me? Therefore, we can use expressions such as, let me see what I can do, or we can change your room, or maybe we can send housekeeping immediately, or we can offer a room upgrade, or we can arrange a late checkout. Okay, and also you can pay attention that those expressions focus on the solution. And another important thing is, as a staff in the hotel, we avoiding blaming. Okay, so we should never say, "Oh, that's not our fault," or even, "You should have told us earlier," so that those kind of response may make the guests even more upset when they have a problems or complaint. And after offering a solution, there is a one final step. Okay, so yes, that's a confirming agreement that you can see in the screen. So we need to make sure that the guests accept our solution. That's why we ask like some expression like, is that acceptable, or would that be okay, or does that work for you? And those kind of questions help make sure that both the guests and the hotel staff understand the final agreement. Okay. Okay, and then the next one. Okay, there's a dialogue. So for this slide, actually, I need volunteer or help for of you. So maybe who want to volunteer themselves? From the first dialogue, I need two volunteer. Can you guys help me to read or to demonstrate the dialogue? Okay, Dinar. And who is the other friends that want to demonstrate? Okay, Alia. Okay, who will be the guest and who will be the front desk?
I will be the guest.
Okay, Alia will be the guest, and then Dinar will be the front desk berarti. Ya.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you can start in 3, 2, 1.
Excuse me, the air conditioner in my room is not working.
I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. Let me see what I can do.
It's very hot in my room.
We can send a technician immediately, or we can move you to another room.
I'd like another room, please.
Certainly, we have a room available on the third floor. Is that acceptable? You're welcome.
Okay, thank you so much, Alia and Linar. So from the first dialogue, what apology expression that
All
you
right.
did you hear just
So
now?
we read the
No, no. Later on we try to read and demonstrate the second dialogue from the different friends.
okay.
Okay. From the first dialogue, what do you think is the apology expression? Which sentence shows that, oh, it is about apology?
I'm very sorry for the inconvenience.
Yes, that's very right. And then, how about the solution that was offered? What was the
We can
solution? Yes, we can send a technician
send
immediately, or
technician
we can
immediately.
move. Yeah. Okay. And then the last one, what is the staff confirm the agreement? Can somebody guess or can somebody help me? Which one is the staff confirm the agreement?
Is that acceptable?
Yes, thank you so much, Anis. That's very right. Is that acceptable? Okay, now let's move to the second dialogue. Okay, who wants to help me to demonstrate or to read the second dialogue? Okay, Alia again. How about the other one? Okay, Hedwin. So who will be the guest and who will be the front desk?
Oh, maybe I will be the front desk.
Okay, Hedwin as a front desk and Alia will be the guest. Okay, you can start in three, two, one.
Excuse me, I just checked into my room and I'm not happy with its condition.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Could you tell me what the problem is?
The bathroom is dirty and there are used towels on the floor.
I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you. Thank you for bringing this to our attention.
I expected the room to be clean when I arrive.
Completely understand your concern. Let me see what I can do.
Thank you.
We can send housekeeping immediately to clear the room, or if you prefer, we can move you to another room.
I would prefer another room.
Certainly. We have a clean room available on the fifth floor.
That sounds good.
Great. We'll prepare the room right away. Is that acceptable?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Once again, we apologize for the inconvenience and we hope you enjoy your stay.
Okay, thank you so much, Alia and Hedwin. That was a amazing dialogue demonstrate from our friends. And now let's have a role play, okay? So based on those dialogue, we can see there are three steps that we can do as a front desk. The first one, we need to apologize. The next one, we offer a solution. And the third one, we can confirm the agreement, okay? So from this role play, I think there will be groups, and each group consists of two members. One will be the guest, and one will be the front desk. And maybe I will give you 3 minutes to decide which one with who with that you will be the role play, okay? And later on, maybe you can confirm me through the WhatsApp group.
Can you repeat once again, Miss?
Okay, so later on we will do a role play that I will give like a flashcard that you can choose that in this flashcard that will contain a complaint. So the things that you need to do is you can find one partner. So the one will act as a guest and the one will act as a front desk. Is that understandable, or do you still have a more question, Dinar?
All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, maybe you already got your group. Now let's move to the flashcard that is contain the complaint, okay? Okay. Can you see my screen clearly? Or is it still in the previous slide? Does the slide changes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
okay, thank you. So there are so many card that you can take. Which one do you think that you can do later on for role play? For example, the first card, the complaint is my room is dirty. Okay, so for example, the first group choose that, and because the group contains of two members, one will be the guest and one will be the front desk. Okay, and the front desk, you can see the solution menu. Okay, so from those complaints, you can see which is the best appropriate solution from those complaints. Okay. Maybe I will give you 5 minutes to decide which card that you want to do a role play. Okay, for Dwipa and Anis, do you in the same group? Okay, which card that you want to pick?
Number 12.
Can you repeat once again?
Number 12.
12. Okay, number 12 is about, okay, the shower is broken. Okay, and then this is the solution that the one person as front desk can choose, yeah?
Alright, thank you, Ardi.
Okay. Do you want have some minute to discuss about your dialogue, about your role play later on?
No, we are ready.
Okay, you are ready? Okay, maybe after Dwipa
Yes.
and Anis, we can move to Dinar, yeah? Okay, Dwipa and Anis, you can start now.
Alright, thank you, Ardi. So I am as a front desk and Anis as a guest.
Okay.
Let us begin. Good afternoon. How can I help you, ma'am?
Hi. I am in room 4005. My shower is broken and no water is coming out.
Oh, I am so sorry to hear that. Since you need it urgently, we can move you to room 505 right away.
That would be great. Thank you. Is it a new room ready?
Yes, it is fully ready. Our bellboy will bring the new keys to your room now and help move your bag.
Oh, that's perfect then. Thank you
You're
for the
welcome,
quick
ma'am.
response.
You're welcome, ma'am. We apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you.
Thank
That's
you.
all about the role play.
Okay, thank you so much, Dwipa and Anis. That was such a good role play about the shower is broken. Okay, so the solution it was change the room, yeah? Okay, and now let's move to the Dinar's group. Okay, who will be the guest and who will be the front desk?
Okay. For me and Sinta, we choose card number 2. No, I'm
Okay,
sorry, 7.
okay, 7.
Me as a guest and Sinta as a hotel staff.
Okay, this is the
Sinta?
solution menu that maybe you can use for the complaint later on. Do you want have some time to discuss or do you guys ready?
I'm sorry, can we start now?
Yes, of course you can start, Sinta and Dinar.
Okay, good evening, receptionist desk. I'm sorry.
It's okay, take your time.
All right, everyone, we are going to start now. Good evening. How may I help you?
Good evening. I'm staying in room 205 and the TV is not working. All right, I'm sorry, madam, to hear that. May I know what the problem is? The TV won't turn on even after I press the power button. All right, I understand your problem. We do apologize for the inconvenience. Uh,
Okay, Sinta and Dinar finish.
to fix it,
Okay, that's okay. Maybe Sinta has a problem network there. It's okay. Uh, maybe we can just take the conclusion for their dialogue or their role play about the TV does not work. Okay, that was a good role play. And now let's move to the another activity. Uh, do you like playing games? I think a lot of you guys do, yeah. So now let's play a quizzes. So I will show the code or the barcode that you can guys put on your phone and or your device, and later on you can answer those questions. Okay, can you guys see the code on the screen?
May I request for sending the link to the chat, sir?
Okay, okay. Okay. Does anyone already join our quizzes? Or do you still need some time? If there's any problem, you can tell me. Okay, maybe I will just start the quizzes, yeah? So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me start then. Okay. Okay, so congrats for Astinia and then Hedwin and then Sinta. You all of you actually did pretty good. And okay, I will just end this quiz. Okay, and then after this, I will give you worksheet that you can do through WhatsApp group. And thank you so much for learning with me. I hope you can get something from our discussion today. Do you guys have a question before I end this meeting? Okay, if it is clear and there is no question, thank you so much for joining this class and see you.
Thank you.
See you, Mr. Ardi.